Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted pictures and video SD card. So this is the Android. If you use the Android as your regular smartphone and accidentally you deleted pictures or image or video in your album, so you want to restore again, it's very easy. If you scroll down, here we go. You can see this is the trash feature. You can try to tap this trash to recover photo that accidentally you delete. So for example, here we go. Accidentally you delete this, and you can go to the trash. Here we go. You can restore this picture. So if your phone doesn't have a trash feature, you can go to the or you can download the Google Files here. You can tap it, and you can tap three stripe at the top of your screen, and this is the trash that Google Files provide for you, and you can search the a image or video that accidentally deleted. You can, for example, you can tap the video and then restore. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.